Ready, steady, go. A for apple. Okay. Okay. B for ball. Hmm. C is for car. Beep beep. Very good. D is for Okay. Okay. It's okay. D is for D is for dog. Bow bow. E is for elephant. It's an elephant. F for rabbit, 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 rabbit. Frog. It's a frog. G is for G is for well, fast, 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 fast. Go, 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 go. Krishna, go, 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 fast, fast, fast. Steady, steady, go. G is for go chudu. Krishna, G is for grapes. Come, fast. G is for grapes. H is for hen. hen ఏది ఇక్కడ పెట్టేద్దామా hen నెక్స్ట్ I is for H is for hen. I is for ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Very good. No. Okay, done. Okay, done. Mundi. J is for next one is J. J is for juice. Very good. J is for juice. K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. It's a lemon. M is for monkey. N is for nut. Nut. Very good. O is for orange fruit. Very good. Orange fruit. Very good. P. Okay, done. P is for pineapple. Very good. Q is for queen. Very good. R is for queen. R is for Rose. R is for rose. Come fast, fast, fast. Krishna, R is for rose. అయిపోతుంది. R is for rose. S is for submarine. Very good. T is for tiger. Very good. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. V for van. It's a van. Beep beep. Wheels on the van goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the van goes round and round, all through the town. V for van. Beep beep. మీ దగ్గర పార్క్ చేయండి వ్యాన్ని తీసుకొచ్చి ఫాస్ట్ ఫాస్ట్ తొందరగా. వెరీ గుడ్. వ్యాన్ 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 ఫాస్ట్గా పార్క్ చేయండి. ఫాస్ట్ ఫాస్ట్. వీఆర్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ డబ్ల్యూ. డబ్ల్యూ ఇస్ ఫర్ W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Very good. Very good. Y is for yo-yo. 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 Z is for very good. Z is for zip. Zip. Open the zip. Open. Zip open చేస్తే ఏముంది? Open. Zip. Dash surprise. Open. It's a surprise. It's a bunny. Wow, cute bunny. Cute bunny. Surprise. It's a bunny. Wow, carrot lo bunny undi kada Krishna. Wow, it's a bunny. Wow, super. Very good job, Krishna. Hooray, good job. Claps.